Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a fair price. Features also include heated seats, leather seats, rear view camera, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.